Assindo AI is the best AI software that was just released. And if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve in digital marketing, there are 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Stick around until the end because I'm going to break down everything you should know, from its standout features to how it stacks up against other tools. And trust me, you'll want to see what I've got to say about its capabilities. First, let's talk about what makes Assindo AI different from the rest. This AI software is designed with marketers in mind, providing tools that automate key digital marketing tasks. If you're tired of manually handling everything from content creation to campaign analysis, Assindo can take care of those repetitive tasks for you. This allows you to focus on strategy and creativity, which is exactly what you need in today's fast-paced market. One of the most impressive features of Assindo AI is its content generation. Using advanced natural language processing, it can help generate copy for emails, social media, blogs, and even ad campaigns. It learns your brand voice as you use it, making it feel like you're working with a personal assistant who knows exactly how to speak to your audience. This alone could save you hours of time each week, especially when you need high-quality, engaging content consistently. Another standout feature is its data analysis capabilities. Assindo AI can track and analyze the performance of your digital campaigns in real time. This gives you actionable insights to adjust your strategies without waiting for the end of the month. Whether you're running paid ads or managing social media accounts, Assindo's AI helps you understand what's working and what's not. It doesn't just give you the numbers, it also provides clear recommendations to improve. But that's not all. Assindo AI also excels in customer relationship management. Its AI-powered tools can help you segment and target your customers more precisely. Whether you're dealing with email marketing or paid advertising, it ensures you reach the right people at the right time with the right message. This level of personalization can drastically improve your conversion rates and customer loyalty. Now, I know many of you are concerned about the learning curve when it comes to new AI tools. With Assindo AI, that's not an issue. The software is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a newbie, you'll be up and running in no time. The platform provides easy-to-follow tutorials, and it's adaptable to your workflow, so you don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of it. But the real game changer? The fact that you can try Assindo AI for free. That's right, you can test it out with no risk to see if it's the right fit for your business. Just head to the first link below to start your free trial and see for yourself how much time and money you could save with this powerful tool. Finally, if you're wondering how Assindo compares to other AI tools, here's the truth. It stands out for its versatility and integration with existing marketing platforms. Many other AI tools are great for one specific task, but Assindo's all-in-one approach allows you to streamline your entire digital marketing process, making it an incredibly valuable asset for any business. To sum it up, Assindo AI is not just another AI tool. It's a complete solution that can elevate your marketing game. From content creation and data analysis to customer targeting and CRM, it's everything you need to scale your business efficiently. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've handpicked my recommended options in the description below. You can try them for free and see which one works best for your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the other software recommendations I've listed.